Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video with something that should never be done in the car engine. I explain. Here, the owner of this car has brought it to us because the hose of intake inlet to the turbo, it kept coming out. So what was the problem? It originally had this gasket, a silicone gasket. What happened? Over time they deteriorate and break, so what the owner has done is take advantage of the largest piece he had and has put it there. Of course, what this does is that it is continually coming out, and what the owner does is press harder, and what it does is break pieces of the gasket. You see, here there are already pieces missing, which must have come loose, and he was lucky, because they have passed through the turbo and got stuck in the intercooler. But these pieces can, from breaking the turbo, until passing through the intercooler and clogging one of the intake valves, that is, they can easily reach you to the cylinder and make a breakdown of thousands of euros. But notice that this is not the strangest case. It is not the first time we see this. In fact, I have a video. I am going to leave you the link. Someone, for not spending 20 euros buying one of these joints, he created a joint with a soda can. One of those aluminum ones. I will leave you a link so you can see it. Be careful with these things, as I say. For 20 euros you can get there to destroy the engine, okay? Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.